The Automotive Technology program at Craven Community College provides the training you need for a career in the automotive industry, working in dealerships, repair and maintenance facilities, parts facilities, and in government fleets. As a student in the Automotive Technology program, you'll learn about the evolving industry with the service and operation of brakes, electrical and electronic systems, engine performance, steering and suspension, automatic transmissions and transaxles, engine diagnostics and repair, climate control, and manual drivetrains. You can work toward a certificate or associate degree in automotive systems technology, or continue your education through a special partnership with East Carolina University to attain a Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology. Students will have the knowledge needed to take the nationally recognized Automotive Service Excellence Certification exams and the hands-on experience needed to apply for a full-time position in the industry. Whether you want to stick close to home or travel the world, the Automotive Technology program at Craven Community College gives you the flexibility to start a new career today. To learn more about the automotive programs at Craven CC, visit CravenCC.edu/automotive. Craven Community College, your first choice.